Hello, I think we are live. Let me see, I think we have one more. There we go. I think we are set. So yesterday, let me tell you a funny story. It's not really funny. The whole day, let's see. I think I realized I'm the type of person that could get distracted really easily. That if the things around me are not working, it's really hard to try to stay on focus. So yesterday my internet just kept going off, and I had to get a new modem, and went to the store, did that. It was still not working. Called the people from the internet service, and they came this morning, and I think they resolved the issue. They had to fix some of the cables outside, and our neighbors are having a similar issue. Anyway, so today, hopefully, I could get back to being more productive. So, also yesterday, I was working on building a monorepo, and I'm still working on that on the side, but I wanted to focus. Yeah, going back to focus, I feel like I was working on one project, right? The recipe bud, which I am still working on, but then I hit like a little bump in the road, and I get sidetracked. I was trying to fix stuff like that, and I wanted things to be a certain way, but now I want to pivot back to ProjectPlannerAI, which is the original thing that's supposed to be helping me with all of this focusing stuff. So, and the thing that I have had on my work items for a while now is getting this reoccurring finance thing to work. So I was working on it for a little bit, and I had an implementation, but then I scrapped everything because I was like, okay, this is not the way that I think is the most effective way to do this. So I'm going to try it again today and see how that goes. Okay, so let's go to the code. I know I have some things blocking it. Maybe I should switch this on this side, this on this side. So I think the section I'm talking about is if I want to add a finance item, you can see there's an amount, revenue, date. First thing I need to fix is like these highlights, which isn't correct. I don't know why my headphone is doing that. Okay. And why is my thing? There we go. Okay. Yo, haven't been in the stream for a while. Hello, welcome back to the stream. Alright, so first thing is add finance item. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be inside this sheet. I could bring this lower. Okay, and then it's gonna be inside this create finance form. It's going to be within here. Let's get this. First things first, let's fix this because this is bothering me. Alright, let's fix this. And for type and for added by, just small things. Okay, and let me see if it's the same thing for the edited. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so we need to go for update. Do the same thing for type. Okay. Type and added by. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Let me see. Type. There we go. Okay. Small styling things. What do you mean by recurring? Yeah. Okay. So what do I mean by recurring finance? So right now in this one, you're able to only add one finance item at a time. So let's say I have a project. Hello. It's going well. So I have a project, right? And let's say I want to keep track of the finances for this project that I'm working on. I added, let's say, email charge. If I have like a Google Workspace and I get charged every month for that, I know it's a reoccurring charge, but right now how the platform works right now, you can only input one finance item at a time. So every month I have to go in and add it for that date. So let's say I know there's a cost that is reoccurring. I could go in here, select date, and maybe have like a toggle here. If it is a reoccurring, switch the toggle on, and then have more options available here. So I hope that makes sense about what I mean by reoccurring finance item. Now in the table, I have a table within my database called finances. And within here, how would I implement that reoccurring item? So it's going to be similar to how Google Calendar does it with doing reoccurring events. Let's say you have an event that you want it to be reoccurring. So I think I wanted to approach it like that. Well, yeah, I just want to fix some small aesthetic stuff first. For the add item type, I have this one I need to get rid of. I think it's that one. So if I do this one, there we go. Okay, and then same thing with the added by. I need to get rid of this. There we go. Okay, that's all better. And then let me fix that with this one, and I'll push that update. This is more of a styling thing that's annoying. Okay. Added by, and then the type. Forgot if there was a reason why those are there, but I guess we'll find out. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. And then if we do that, that looks good. This should be on the bottom, but for now it's fine. Okay. So then let me push this. Fixed get add, get commit, fixed styling for create and update finance sheets. Get push. Okay. Alright, so let me get those out of the way, and then the actual logic is gonna be like this. So I had another thing that I was doing, and then I rethought about it because I didn't like how it was styled. I think for this one I'm gonna have, so the user should have the option if they want to add one item. Let me do shad cn. I think we could just do a toggle. Let me see. Switch. What is it called? Switch. Yeah, I think I like something like this. We can use a switch, and what's gonna happen is within the create finance sheet, we're gonna add this switch. Do like that, and then right underneath, it's gonna be a part of the form still. We're still gonna have some form fields, but let's do it right here just for now, to get the look of it at least. Okay, if we want to import label, we can import label. Import label. Okay, there we go. Where did you go? Actually, here. Okay. Not gonna be airplane mode. Where did you go? I think, is this in the, yeah. Added by airplane mode. Interesting. Why are you not showing up? Okay. Refresh. Hopefully my internet doesn't fail again. I don't know why sometimes. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Reoccurring. I'm going to switch the order. Make this one like this. Reoccurring. Reoccurring. And let's do this. Reoccurs. What would be a good name? A repeat? What would be a good name? What do you think? Reoccurring or repeat? A repeated edit. Does it repeat? Reoccurring? I think, what does Google say? They say, oh, give me a second. I actually have to check if anything is. Okay. Next. Alright. So in here, in Google, they do event. They say does not repeat. So they start with the assumption does not repeat. If you click on it, then you want a repeat. So I think repeat is fine. It has this popover thing. I sort of want when you switch it, then it shows. I had these as an option, but I don't know if people want to customize it. Every week, every month, repeat once every month. Repeat on. But then if you do it like that, then oh, okay, I see what you did. Okay, on the 28th, which is that day. If you do it by day, one repeat every day, repeat every week, once a week. Repeat once a week, repeat on these days. Repeat every day, every 2 days. Repeat every week. Repeat every week. Repeat every month. Repeat every year. So depending on, okay, so because the way I was gonna do it is just have these options available for the user, only these ones, so either daily, weekly, every 4th, and then this is more options. How can I do it? How can I implement reoccurring? Okay, that's gonna be up to me what I set as the requirement. I think people are gonna either want to do every month. I don't see a reason why every week. Maybe every week. But then eventually I want people to be able to upload their invoices for whatever platforms they use the most. So I was gonna add like a, I don't know why this is doing this. Okay. It's fine. Let's stick with the thing that I was trying to do. Okay, we don't care about the time aspect of it. Repeat. Should it be on this side? I think it should be here. And then it'll show it. I think when it's cluttered, you can't really see it there. Right? Turn it on, off. Now it's gonna be all about, I like the switch button though. If you select a date, this date has to be selected. This date is gonna determine the options for this. Alright, so put it on the end. Let me see. There, okay, so I'll just flex end. Let me put this here actually. Put this here. Okay. Oh, justify end. Repeat. Class name. I guess the same as the other ones. Semi-bold. This is a part of it. Repeat, reoccurring. Does it repeat? Repeat, yes, no. Maybe I need to rename that better. How would this look? Would I put that next to this? Maybe. is a way to make this look. And then how do I save the on off? Would there be a how would I see if it's checked or not? Oh, it would be inside the form. Okay. So within the form, you would have a does repeat, a does repeat boolean. This would be optional though. What is it? Is it like this? But I think it's at the end though. The optional, like that. Unless I'm wrong. Okay. Wait, why is it giving me this? Alright. Something with TypeScript. Okay. Does repeat false. Let's wrap that around that form field. Oh, I don't need a. Oh, I don't need that. Okay, let's do form field like that. Control render. Okay. Name is gonna be equal to is repeat form field switch. What is the issue with this? Oh, okay. Label does repeat switch field. Okay. And then we're gonna have a situation here. We gotta track. Yeah, there we go. Let's see what they give for me. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, so repeat interval, which we do not have, which I wonder if it's going to give me an error. Does repeat. Okay, it doesn't show. Watch does repeat. Form watch. Would this work if I don't have a name for it? No, it's still giving me an error. Okay. Repeat interval. Okay. Same thing with this. Let's see. Okay, we have something there. I just want to see if this is gonna work. Refresh. Do this. No, it's not showing that. So we need to see if this is working. Temp is equal to that. Console.log temp. Okay, where is the red? Okay, I don't know why it's red. False. It is always false. And why is that always false? It's because when I switch it, it's not changing. So you have to do a, where are you? This one. Let's see if that does anything. It is disabled. That's not what I want. Yay! Okay. So, does repeat. Should I put the question mark? Should I flex this at the end again? This is a form item. I could wrap that around. Does it? Give me 1 second, and I gotta get my cat. Never mind. Okay, be right back. Does it repeat? Then I'm gonna assume that this is the start date, similar to how Google does it. Whatever date that is selected as is gonna be the start. Then I want to show something like this. Repeat every. And this be a drop down. Custom reoccurrence. I think I would like to have these because this is pretty custom if I do it like this. I don't know how much granularity someone would want, but a couple people did request this. So if we go back here, say does repeat, I think that should be next to this. I don't think this should be on its own row. They have it right underneath. I don't know. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. I mean, it matters. It's just how do I figure out what do I want to do? Because it would be, I would check this. This would definitely be inside a div. Put this inside here. And then restart. Okay, that's fine. So what do we want to have? We want to have a repeat every okay, we have day, week, month, year. Custom reoccurrence. Does it repeat? I think that's fine. Select the day. Does it repeat? Okay, yeah, it just feels weird if it's here. Okay, let's see. Let me see what this would look like. What do you guys think? What is your opinion? I could do this. I could do this. If it's like that, then flex row space x2. There you go, something like that. And then maybe, so this, I don't want this to wrap. No wrap. What is this? White space, no wrap. There, yeah, like that. And then maybe more space, and maybe this should be centered. Hello. Okay, so I think there should be more gap. Let's do 10. Does it repeat? And then what is the size of this? Does it repeat? Form field, form item. Okay, that looks like that. How would I want this? I would want this to be flex. What is this one? My opinion is that if the application can give me revenue and pay my bills magically, then I approve. I wish it could be that easy. My bin messaging with Convex is taking a bit to use, but it's good so far. It's used in PPAI, right? Yes, it is. It is used for our platform. If only, right? If only it could magically pay the bills. I think right now we're just trying to focus on how to maybe forecast if you maybe that as an option to see how much something is going to cost. in the future. If you already know that information, or maybe estimate if I use this. Okay, this is not. Wait, so what have you been contacting Convex about? They have a great Discord, by the way. They get your your questions answered fast. Okay. Let's see. Flex. How do we want to do this? Because this is a little bit annoying. I want this to be centered. Can I do this to be a flex one? Maybe margin bottom. There you go. Okay, I guess that's gonna be it. Why not? Your good old margin bottom. Oh, if it repeats, then it's gonna show this. And that's gonna be. I would like it to have it similar to this. This is not bad. This is pretty custom. My two hang brain cells trying to make sense. What is it called? What do they call it? Repeat every. So we have two forms. No, we have two values. We have this value and this value. If it's a week, it's gonna do that. If it's a day, repeat every day. So it would be two form fields. Occurrence, interval type, interval amount, interval. So we're gonna have this as an input, this as an input. If that is there, that's gonna be input. These are inputs, so there's gonna be a lot of inputs on this form if the user selects to repeat it. So let's see. And then also I have to put a limitation on how much they could repeat, because I don't want anybody spamming on our thing. Let's see. Flex column. Space Y4. Okay. Ends. Okay, let me do this. Let's see how. Okay, on top of this. Repeat everything, and then ends on. And then we want to do another one for ends on. Depending on the radio button, I don't think I want one option for never. It would be one option for on. Oh my god, this is okay. Or should I make it this complicated? But I think it makes sense too. It's not complicated, it's just a lot. Okay. Repeat every. Oh, nice. I didn't know about the Discord. I'm making an AI app, basically a smart Minecraft config generator / editor. Decided to try that instead of Supabase. I just finished setting up. Oh, nice. Really cool. Sounds cool. Okay. Daily, weekly, annually, on Tuesday, on the fourth Tuesday, on every, repeat every, is it repeat? Repeat everything. Do you know what? Okay, I'm gonna put my foot down. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do these options weekly on, which I had set up before. But I think this makes more sense. But if I do this, then I have to figure out how do they set up when it ends, though. Okay, that's where I was stuck on. Ends on. If I do ends on, it will give me any date. Ends after. So I could do that, repeat everything, and then ends on that. Ends after that. Yeah, I don't know how often people are gonna do this. For Tuesday. Took a bit. Hey Cody, how's it going? Stop copying Google. I'm not gonna copy them straight up. Took a bit considering I wanted to use next auth, but got it working for the most part. Nice. Hey Cody, yeah, I've been going back and forth between how granular I want the repeat thing to work, and I think I'm just overthinking it, and I keep. Alright, so I have a button for if it repeats or not. We're gonna check that. That's not gonna be passed down to our schema. Our schema needs to be updated for finance items. I think we should do a repeat every. I'm gonna do the drop down method, and then I had a way to do something similar to this, because I don't know how custom reoccurrence, how, let's see, every 2 weeks. I don't think people are going to do this, but this is my assumption. I don't know exactly what. I think the minimum is like these ones, probably weekly on Tuesday, or either monthly on the 4th Tuesday, monthly on the last Tuesday, annually on May 28th. I would probably need like monthly on whatever day I select here, because for us, we pay Google Workspace. I'm using an example for our repetitive thing for like the 1st of every May, and then this switches annually if someone wants to do that. I think that makes sense. But the only thing, like I said, the user needs to be able to tell me, because we don't when this would end. Because if we do this is never ending. This will like go on until, I haven't checked until what calendar this ends up at, but I have done that repeat every. Okay, I'm talking too much. I just gotta do stuff. That's what I gotta do. Pop over. No, not pop over. Whatever drop down. It would be the type one. Type revenue. Type revenue. No. That's amount. Alright. Category. Select. So it would be this one. This one is within the. No, it's not within it. Okay. Oh yeah, it's wrapped around like that. Okay, and then this one, yeah, I had a way for you to this repeat every, and then I think I need another one for ends on. And then we could do this is the repeat interval. This is gonna be a string. And then I'm gonna take the string. Okay. I think the default one, this is gonna be, what is it? Let me get rid of this. Does not repeat the value daily. Oh, what did I say last time? Oh, what is this? No, I didn't touch that. Okay. And then I gotta update that. Okay. There's gonna be a daily thing. A daily. And then I had a way for me to do I refresh this. Get rid of this. The selected value is gonna be whatever is in the field. So this should be default daily if I turn this on, which it is. Good. Okay, and then the other options should be weekly, monthly, and annually. And then I would take the date. Okay. I think I was doing it this way before, but then I changed my mind, but then I'm changing my mind again. Okay. What did I say weekly on, and then this I'm gonna do it monthly. I think that makes the most sense. Okay. Yeah, and I had all of this and I deleted it. Okay, that's fine. So let's say I have to have a date selected for this to work. So this is disabled until this is on. Date doesn't. Okay. What is which is oh. How do I do the condition that this is disabled? Is, oh my god, why am I blanking? Okay. On checked. Disabled. Is this, let me see. This is my main goal today. I'm gonna get this working today. 100%. For sure. No matter how long it takes. Okay. Okay, I have to get back to that condition. But yeah, this should not show unless this is, or maybe this would be like that, but then okay. Repeat, and then in addition to repeat every, and then ends on. That should be another one. Ends on. Ends on. I think this has to be a, how does this work? How will I do this? Okay. Still has to be that. This is not right. Okay. Does repeat? Maybe that's not proper English, probably. Okay, that's fine. Ends on. And then we're gonna have the, let's remove this. Probably gonna have the radio button. Radio group. But then they have this radio group. How are they doing this? They have this radio group. If you select it, then you have another date that you could select. I don't want this one. It has to be that one, or after whatever amount of occurrences, and this could only be so many. Let's do on and after, and then figure out what the rest is gonna be. Okay. Figure out. Ends on. Okay. On. After. This is the radio group, but there's gonna be, within it is gonna be other stuff. Something like that. And then there's gonna be an option. This should be a little bit bigger. Or should I, or I'm gonna make this simpler. I don't need this. I could just put the second date. I'll do a date. You don't need to make this complicated. Okay. Pop over, just copy this. This is gonna be a date. I get to set that date. This is gonna be the same as, it's gonna be end date. End date is gonna be This is not going to be required though. So this is going to be optional date. Okay. End date and date. Date is going to be undefined. What is this? Oh, now it's got fixed that. Okay, and date. And date ends on. Okay. Did I name this the right stuff? I think it's the same. Oh, I don't need this. Oh, probably I don't want dates in the past. Disable dates greater than. No, just less than. Less than new date. Less than today's date. Okay, let's see. Let's say I selected $10. Let's type expense. Let's see. Today's date item, finance item. I think it should also be able to do it in the future. Let's see. Yeah, this should also be able. Yeah, this should go away. Okay. This should be either in the past or in the present. Okay. Repeat. Yeah, daily, weekly. Date selected. Date ends on. Oh. Whoa. Okay, and that's because I had something named incorrectly. What did I name incorrectly? Oh, set. End calendar open. Okay, so I have to create another one for you. Is end calendar. Is end calendar. Okay. Is end calendar open. Okay. Set is end. Okay. Let's do that. Let's try that. Okay. Refresh. Let's do this. Let's do that. We got this going. Okay. Oh, I think this should automatically set it to that date. Oh, yeah. So this, I have it as undefined, but let's make that better. Form, not undefined, new date. Today's date. And then how do I do end date? That date plus 1? Or maybe, I don't know, it depends on the thing. Okay, this one. Yeah, so it selects today's date, let's say, right? That makes it easy. Let's do that. Repeat daily, weekly, whatever. Okay, then this one opens up. That is correct. Let's fix this. That should not be that. That should be that. Okay. So we just need to get rid of this. Let's close this. Let's close this. Okay. That should be good. Okay. Let's see. Nope. Okay. And that's because... Where are we? That one. Full width. It should be form item. Full width. There we go. Alright. That looks a little bit better. If I don't want this. Oh, so if I turn this off, then all of those should be set to reset or whatever. Does it repeat? Okay. Daily, weekly. Okay. Select an end date. So, right. So you shouldn't be able to do it in the past. should be that or whatever month you want it to end on. Okay, and then I have to do something in the back end. A weekly, what did they do? Weekly on Wednesday. Oh yeah, okay, so for this one I did for this interval, if it's weekly on format value. Hey Amon, how are you? Oh, I think last time we did 3E. Was it 3E? Was it 2E? What was the day? What was it? Format value. Oh, no. It is the watch. This one. Watch format. Ah, man. Okay, wait. I know what it is. Wait. It was, constant start date is equal to date. Yeah. Console.log. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Okay, so we got this. How do I get it's to format it? I do format. Start date PPP is that one. How about, I think that's the day. Is it 3Ds? How do I get no, it's not that. It's the EE. Tuesday. I think it's 3 E's, huh? No, I want the full Tuesday. 4 E's. It was 4 E's. 4 E's. There we go. Okay, so then all I need to do is get this, put it within the weekly one. Weekly on. There we go. I think that should be it. For that one at least. If I turn it on daily, weekly on Tuesday, because this is on a Tuesday. Do we want it weekly on Tuesday? Do we want it monthly on the first Wednesday? How did I do that? Monthly on the first. I had a different formatter function that I deleted that I need to get back. Okay. Let's see. Okay. How do I do the monthly on? The monthly on section here. Has anybody worked with the React compiler yet? I saw Theo use it on a project. I haven't seen that many people. There's so many, oh my god, so much stuff has been happening in the web dev space. The whole thing with Laravel versus React. And then what's his name? Aaron Francis came out with a new video that why not use both? ¿Por qué no los dos? It's sort of overwhelming at times because you're like, oh my god, I'm like trying to build something. Now do I have to stop what I'm building? Yeah, I think it's easy to get into that trap. Oh, to try this new stuff or to try to integrate the new stuff. And sometimes the new stuff doesn't work out of the box and you have to try to give it a couple of chances. For this one, okay, I don't think they're gonna, let's see if they did it. I need to figure out how do I get the first. It's just noise, ignore it, thanks. Okay. Yeah, I gotta ignore it. Yeah, I haven't been on Twitter that much If I am, it's like for like a couple minutes a day. And I feel like it's like so much stuff. And then I get distracted. And then I'm like, okay, I need to focus. And then, ugh. Okay. On, format, start date, do. No, it's not this, dude. It's not that. No, how do I know if it's on the first or the second or the third of the month or monthly? It gave it to me last time. I have to look for it. I did a similar approach, but I'm trying to change up. Okay. But Cody, that one post that you put out about like Laravel and the to-do application, that went viral. And it's crazy that the creator of Laravel or like the founder or something, like he commented on it, which was pretty insane. That's pretty cool. There we go. Okay, I think that's the function that I was looking for. Okay. But then, like you said, it's like, it's noise. Like, you get wrapped up in it, and it's just, I guess people like to talk. Okay. Date. For real, I didn't expect that. I literally posted it and then went to bed. No way. And woke up and I was like, oh, wow. I think it's almost like at 1 million too. That's wow. But I feel like you're really good at that. Figuring out like what triggers people to like interact or engage, right? Or have an opinion on something. I think that's in general, right? With social media, if you really have that knack of figuring out, oh, this is like what people like talking about or saying or like having an opinion on, then you know, okay, it's gonna go viral. I guess that's one aspect of virality, right? Or if he never select, no, this is not what I want. I just want it to say here. Okay. My best tweets are when I'm frustrated when I'm coding and I post something without thinking too hard. Honestly. And then sometimes it's like when you try too hard to think about, oh, is this gonna be a good post or whatever, and then it's I guess going back to relatability, people can relate. And that's what people like from people that are online. What is this? Okay, so if I pass the date, get the full date, get the year, the nth. I don't need that one, the nth difference. I just have the date. Okay, I just have the date. Accepts the date as the input and returns if it's the first, second, third, or fourth of the month. Can't go up to the 6th because that doesn't make any sense. Okay. Hi. Put this up here. Get rid of this. This should be this. Start date. Okay. I don't want to. I had it before. I'm not wording it correctly. Okay, fine. We'll stick with you since you're technically shorter. And I don't need this as an input. I could just do you. Okay. And then where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Monthly on the I could do something like this. Yeah, on the 4th Tuesday. This is the 1, 2, 3. That's not the 4th Tuesday. This is wrong. On the 3rd Tuesday. This would be the 4th Tuesday. Okay. But we're getting closer. And then let's see. Annually on, oh yeah, it's this one. It's not that bad. On format, it's just the formatting. This one, if it's annually on this one, what did I do here? This is May 1st. So May 1st formatting would be not EEE. It would be, what would it be? Month and day? What is it? No. Think double M? Wait, triple M? Think 4 M's because my May. Okay. May and then doubled? Ah. Okay, that's not it. Does it say the 5th if you select next week? Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, I'll check that. Alright, let me see. If I say next week, it does say the 5th. Yeah, I need to fix that. So there's something wrong with that. I didn't check it yet. Alright, but then this is May. The day, it would be E, right? E, right. Okay. Lowercase e. Yeah, May. And what did they do? May 1st. Yeah, okay, I think that's good. It's just the only one that would be left is this one. Annually on May. Oh, no, that's not good. Why is it 3rd? Why is it 3? I selected the 28th. Oh, yeah, that's not right. How do I format? What is the format? DNS. No, not DNS. Format JavaScript. Date. What is the docs for this? Which one is it? D is the day of the month. Right, 2 Ds. Okay. Oh, maybe. No. Oh, it's D, not E. Okay. Now, why are you giving me an error? Okay. Maybe because it was the other one. Maybe. Oh, no. These. Oh, 2 lowercase D's. Okay. What is the issue with this one? Yeah, that's correct. Now. Okay. So annually on May 21st. Monthly on. Then if I select this one. Maybe I do need to include ends on. Okay. Date, week, +1. Why is it +1? Okay, 3rd Tuesday. But I don't know if I don't know if that's right. Why did I do a +1 there? on the 4th. That's right. So if I do the next one, let's do Tuesday. This is the first. Ha! On the first. Okay. Let me fix this. For May 21st, it's giving me the for Tuesday when it should be the. Can you make this smaller as well? Okay. Can you do it like first, second, third, fourth? A number. Then it's gonna, yeah, it's gonna do that. That's what I thought. Okay. That looks weird. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Get date. Oh. No, bro. We gotta do this. I already have the date. Okay. The fourth. Okay, no, I don't need this since I'm doing that. What? I need to refresh. Why is this spelling this incorrectly? I think it has to do with that. That's what it has to do with. Okay. Do I really need the space between it? On the 4th Tuesday. It's still giving. You still have it in the string of the field. Thank you. Still giving me, this is, okay, what's this logic? Get the date, get full year, get month, get day, day of the month, first day of the week, first day of the week, get day, calculate the day of the week of the first, okay. Week number -1. Why do you still do the -1? No, this still gives me the 4th. Should it be giving me the 4th? No, right? No. The 4th. Not the 3rd. Okay, so they're saying it's about this. Get the month. Oh yeah, of course, chat GPT. Okay. Okay, let's see you. Probably not the best. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's see this. Let's do, yeah, there we go, 3rd. What are you trying to do? Oh, I was able to figure it out. I'm trying to get, so if I select this day, this is on a Tuesday, this is on the third Tuesday of May. Let's say I want to select the 29th. I'm trying to add a finance item. Let's say I have an expense that's on the 29th that I want to add. This repeats every month on the, oh, interesting. Interesting. Why did you not update? I changed you. Is there a way? Can I use format somehow to do this? Okay, because it changed. Can I do this? Oh shoot. Oh, if I do this, then that means this has to be in a... No, it's not gonna work. Yeah, okay, of course. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It was worth a shot. It's not gonna... Okay. I need to do a use effect. Use callback. Okay. When I change the selected item, then this doesn't get called again. Oh, so they're saying put it outside. I don't think that's gonna work though. Will it? I don't know. Oh, it was already out. No, it wasn't outside. You were not outside. Okay. Surprised. That's what I was waiting for. Okay. Get rid of that. Form watch date. Start date. For monthly. No, it's back to the 4th of Tuesday. Why? Things using the old. Okay, that's the thing that ChatGPT. Okay. Let me try this one. Did it do that one actually? Interesting. You're not even using that. What? Then why do you do this? Yeah, I feel like using ChatGPT sometimes makes it worse. I know someone said use Claude OPS. Oh, Ray was the one that said use Claude. Okay, this is the one that worked. So let's bring this one back. Let's do the date. I think it should be date of month -1. You think so? Alright, let's see if this one works. If it's not, then I'll try that. Okay, 3rd, good. 4th, good. Next one, 12th, good. 2nd Wednesday. Oh yeah, this was, what was the issue with this one? Autofocus. What did Assad tell me? I think it's the first one you have the problem already, probably, yeah. If I open this again, it does that. And what did he do? He told me that we could fix this by, is it autofocus? What was it? Oh, where are you? Added by, oh wait, description, no, that's not the error. Where did we get the error? Right here, member, okay. Member, team member, okay, right now I'll just do any, I don't know why it's giving me this right now. Why is this giving that error right now? Okay, weird. Because it moves stuff around, okay. We don't need this. When I select a date, it's not auto-focusing. Initial focus. What did he tell me last time? I have to check. On select. Set calendar open. Selected is that initial focus. What was it? Something with calendar. Day picker. It's not initial focus. Okay, I have to look back at that later. I have to figure out what it was. I forgot. Oh, man. After selecting item in CN calendar goes back to no. On date click. Oh, I forgot what it was. Okay, I'll have to come back. Okay. Because right now, what does it do for finance item? I think it's also an issue. Maybe it's not. Let's say, oh, this doesn't let me go in the future. Okay. Let's say, yeah, still an issue here. Right. Okay. There's something. I know it. Let me ask Assad. Let me see. I'll ask on our Discord. issue we were having when we selected a date and tried opening it again. It took us back to today's date. I forgot what you told me to do to prevent that. I think it has to do with, does it have to do with this? Maybe this. I don't think so though. This is the default value. When you change it, it should update it. Okay. Well, we'll fix that. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, but for now, this is fine. Alright, so we select, okay, let's say every weekly on Wednesday. Right, we selected June 12th, weekly on Wednesday ends on, let's say, this date. So then it'll find all the dates between this and this on a Wednesday. Is how it would be. Is that the right way to do this? After occurrences, I feel like occurrences doesn't really make sense. After 10 times, maybe? I don't know if I should add that. End date makes sense. Does repeat. If I turn this on, okay. I have this. They say don't, because if I do this, okay, this is where I was stuck. Should I create, if I do this, it creates multiple items in the table with the selected inputs. So it's basically like doing one, but multiple times. Or doing this one time. This would just be one row in the table that has a parameter that says it repeats, and this is the range that it repeats in. But the issue is that if I come here, I want to show this data in the table. So I have to check when I pull the data if it's, oh, this is gonna be, yeah, this is gonna be, I want to make it this complicated. Or do I not? Do I assume? Because the complicated, okay, so then, right, if I have one row that's, if I have one item that's repeating and I want to change, okay, I have that populated, I want to edit it. Let's say I want to change the amount. Then if I do, I have to check if this is a reoccurring event. If it is, then I change this to a non-reoccurring event. This is going to be its own event. Or I call it event because I'm like trying to think in terms of how Google does it with their events, with their reoccurring thing. With Discord, it's so interesting because with Discord, let's see, they have a similar, I'm trying to use what I already use in terms of trying to figure out how to create this system, set up the system. I mean, the easiest way to do it is if I do it, if it's a reoccurring item, then I just create the rows in the table. It's fine. The issue comes is if I repeat it daily and I want this to end on specific date, now I'm creating this many rows in the table, which I don't think we want. So maybe remove daily. I don't think daily is a thing that people are gonna get charged. Maybe remove daily for now. Weekly on Tuesday. Weekly on Tuesday makes sense. Weekly and monthly and annually, those ones make sense. The daily one doesn't really make sense. What do you get charged or revenue? Revenue daily. Your revenue isn't the same daily. The issue is like if you press create and it creates all of those ones, then you have to go back in and delete it. Okay, I'm thinking of all these different use cases right now, which I don't know if it's going to be applicable. I don't know if it's going to be applicable. Okay. If I do daily, I have to do a limit. Maybe a limit of 10 or something. And them have a max of how many things they can do. Okay, this has been working on this for an hour and 20 minutes. Okay. Does repeat. Do I want to create? Which way should we do this? Definitely need to add a optional ends on date and a repeat interval. No, do I need that? I don't need that. I could just keep it the same. I think that, okay, this is fine. This is fine. I just do, if it ends on that one, then I want to do that. Then I remove the daily one. I'll remove daily. Let's do this, okay. I'll remove daily because I don't think that's going to be a thing. But if someone asks for it, then I can put it back in. Okay. So this was my form. And this issue. If I press create, it's not gonna work. This has to be required. Okay. Keep the schema the same. The thing that's gonna be different is gonna be the... Yeah, because I don't know how often people are gonna try using this. This might be a feature that no one uses. Maybe someone just needed to do it one time. I don't know. Okay, let's not keep it, wait, keep it simple and then make it complicated when it needs to be. Can I do new date +1? Does that work? I don't think so. No, doesn't. I think it's new date. Be dependent on. Because there has to be something default in there. A user cannot. Okay, how do I do? If it's gonna be weekly, then it's gonna be the day, week after this. And day is gonna be only 1 week. It's gonna be twice. If I do it yearly, then it's gonna be that. It's gonna do only 1 time. And it's not gonna do that. Okay. So I said I'm gonna remove daily. Just make it weekly because I don't think anybody's gonna use daily. So remove that, switch it with that, make the default the week after. New date. Okay, fine. Fine. The week after, right. Weekly on Tuesday ends on that one. What if I don't want it to end on that one? Then you can do that one, okay. If I do monthly, on the third Tuesday of that ends on that one. Not gonna end on that one, it's gonna do it once. Okay. Do I only then want to show... Do I want to update... Is that what I want to do? Maybe I could do that. Okay, I could try doing that. If I choose weekly, it's only gonna give me the options for each week on Tuesday. So I have to update the limitation that I put on this one, on what is disabled, right? That one, and I think ChatGPT can help me with that. Okay. Is that better? I don't know. I think that's gonna help, because then it's like doing the occurrences and the end date at the same time. With the end date, you don't want to do it on any random day, because then it's like, doesn't make any sense, because what if you're not repeating on that day? Okay. I have this. If the user selects either, can you disable the dates on Hey, Jakamsa, how are you? Were you able to get some sleep last night? Let me see. Okay, he hasn't taken a look at it yet. Hopefully he's okay. I'm late to the party, just woke up. Nice. How are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you doing? I have this. Okay. When I select either, can you update the ones that are disabled here? So if I choose weekly, then only show the dates that are weekly from the selected date. Same with monthly and etc. Okay. Oh no, I don't know if this is the proper way to do this, but we're gonna see. Yeah, but it was late. Oh. So I think I need to go back here and make this undefined, because that's gonna change. But that's gonna be needed to be selected. What am I trying to add? I'm trying to add the reoccurring finances. I think I worked on it on another live stream, but then now I'm trying to figure out how to I'm coming back to it and seeing if I could get it to work. Disable dates. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Repeat interval. Repeat interval is actually going to be const for repeat interval, yeah. And date is gonna be that. What other ones? Same day. It's same day. What is this same day? Is same day is within this format thing. Okay. I think maybe this. Date. Nice, it's gonna work soon. Hopefully, yeah, that's my thing today. My prerogative. That's what we're gonna do today. Let's see. What did they say at the type check to convert it correctly? Okay. Okay, so they updated this. Let's see, I don't know, it doesn't work. Okay, and then this I'm assuming is gonna go here. Disabled and date, I guess. Is that it? I don't know. Okay, so as that's still loading, let's see if that's it. If I repeat it every Tuesday. No, it didn't work. Okay, let's see. Continue. Oh no, not regenerate it. Dang it. I think GPT-4 is now working fully for free. Been using it and it's cool. Nice. Yeah, let me see. Can I switch it? It was any different. Let's see if I switch. Oh, okay. It's just doing a model. Interesting. It's using the search param, so it's setting the model equal to GPT-4. I'm sure they're taking this and just using some sort of SDK to do the streaming, which I think, which Nico recently came out with a video on the Vercel channel, the Vercel YouTube channel. Let me see.
Hey, I'm Lee, and
This
I'll be your
Lee.
guide.
Yeah, this one.
Vercel AI SDK is the TypeScript toolkit for building.
Using the Vercel SDK.
In this video, we're going to build a few apps.
Chat, this is how they do it.
We're going to start by
You
building
can create your own chat.
programs to understand AI SDK core. Then we're going to build a chatbot with AI SDK UI. And then we're going to go beyond text, streaming React components from the server to the client with AI SDK RSC. Let's get started.
Interesting.
We're going to create a TypeScript file.
Interesting.
Main function.
I think they demoed this.
We're going to call
It looks really nice.
To use generate text in any AI SDK function, we're
Here's
first
a GitHub for this. Oh, already 5,000. Wow.
AI provider, and then specify the exact model we want to use.
Next
In this
chatbot.
case, GPT-4o. Now, AI SDK core how we can change from GPT 4.0.
What does the Vercel SDK AI do? I think it just makes it easier for you to do or set up prompts for you to send to the model, and then it show on your UI. It's just easier to integrate the wrapper or AI APIs into your or models into your application if you want. I haven't really tried it out that much. Let me see. Okay, what was it saying? Oh, okay, where were we? Continue. Oh, I needed the calendar portion of it. I'm working on a little project tonight and tomorrow, and then share it once I'm done. Yeah, definitely. Please do share. Okay, I don't know why this is... What? No, I wanted you to continue with this. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's change model. Okay, whatever. I think that would be nice to have, but that's fine. Whatever. We'll select whichever one we need to select. So let's say this. Weekly does not repeat. This one should not let us. If I do that, it shouldn't let me do that. This has to be required. I don't think I have that as a required in here, do I? No. Your finance item was created, but it wasn't created. Because we don't have that item required. Okay. Required. That's so weird. It's required here. Maybe it's because I'm using this. Amount. Required include, not working. This one. Okay. Oh, there's a new version? Oh, this has been deprecated. Ah, oh, man. Okay. Please then. Hello. Hi, the Mad Coder. How's it going? Yeah, okay. So, let's see. Format. Okay, so they're no longer using that. I don't know how long has this been deprecated for. I don't remember seeing that when I used it. Maybe I had selective sight. So let's try, okay, let's try that. Let's update cleave. Let's go to package.json. Let's look for cleave. Cleave.js, types cleave. Let's delete. Let's go back to you and delete. Let's go back here and try this. I don't know. Yep. Okay. Now let's try installing the new one. This is built 5 months ago. I wonder why they do a new one. No longer buys it. No, it now functions as a versatile font. No, okay, let's try it then. Format. I'm not sure if this is gonna. Okay. taking some time. Or not. Let's see, what did it say? Conflicting. Found React 18.3, React 18 from root, from Clark. Okay. Could not resolve. Okay. So this is not gonna work. So I gotta remove that whole thing. Okay. Because that's gonna be an issue. Statian input. Input limit to only numbers. Hello, what's up? Spectacular potato. Love the names. It's going all right. I'm trying to figure out how to, I'm trying to replace a library because I realized what we have. I found this library. It's called cleave to format. So right now, if I type any numbers, any characters, it's not going to let me show it here. The only thing I have to type in numbers and it automatically puts the comma where it's supposed to be. But if I have nothing in here, I set it as required, but it looks like it's not working. At least my form's not identifying the required in here. Maybe it doesn't work. So now I have to see if I could find another one. I understand none of this though, but it looks cool. Oh, okay. All good. Type input number. Type number input. Yeah, it's a number input. Okay, so I wouldn't be able to put any. Oh yeah, I'll just do a basic number input. But then not show the little toggle thingies. Okay, if I do a number input, then yeah, it's not gonna work. Or maybe it will. But I just put the thing next to it. Yeah. Oh wait. This is what I'm going to try. Okay, so I removed the. Oh, maybe it's because I didn't do a. No, I don't think that's gonna be the issue. What? I didn't do anything. What? Okay, fine. Let's restore you. No, but I need to delete you. Okay. It's not letting me do an npm install now. npm install. What? Found React 18 from root project. Dependencies. Okay, fine. Let's bring you back. Let's see if you work now. But I don't need the cleave. Where I'm using this. Okay, it's only there, so I don't think it's gonna give me any issue. Can I remove it from the lock file? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. I can maybe remove it from here. Oh, this is taking forever. Stuck. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So wherever I have this, remove, delete, get rid of here. You're out of here. Okay. This one, you could do the same thing. Where are you? Where are you? Currency symbol. Okay. So I could delete this. I'm gonna replace this with the input. Input field dot 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 dot. Okay, that's fine. Do I really not have an input here? Import input. Oh, I should. Oh, that's just my thing being slow. Okay. Okay, wherever I found that there. Okay. Placeholder. No, that's fine. Then type is going to be a number. Then this is going to be required. Then this, I'm going to wrap it around a div. I'm going to do a span. This is going to be the currency symbol. This is going to be right next to this. This is going to be flex row space x2 items center. Okay, then if I refresh npm run dev, then I should do the same thing with this one. Do the same exact thing here. Error goes away. Okay, refresh. Okay. Looks a little weird. But it's fine. Okay. Where should I put that? I want to put that inside. I don't want to show this. Maybe. But it doesn't show the thing. Alternative to clear. I think someone said Dino. Dino.js. Oh, not Dino. Was it Dino? Dinero. Oh, this is to calculate. I wanted to format. Oh, this is conversion. No, I don't need. Excuse me. Clave.js. No. Oh, stack share. This is, I think, where have I? Consolidate your tech stack and innovative to do. I think this is similar to what I wanted to do for tech stack finder. What? Why is it not showing anything? Weird. Okay. Stack share IO. Let me add that. Sorry, this is side stuff. This would go in resources. This would go as add a link. Stack share. This would be competitor. Okay. Nice. Okay. What? Introducing a text stack file. Text stack YAML. Discover new tools. No, I don't want to sign up, bro. Ah, okay. No, this is not. Okay, I have to sign up later. Anyway. Fix issue with our changelog not loading. Finance page stuck showing empty stage. Projects, yes to all of these. Okay. Yeah. Oh, actually, let me open that. I think I might need to reference that later. I think the table that I really need is anyone. I want to make this into a table. This better table. Okay. And I want to do that on my portfolio. So wait, I'll come back for formatting stuff. Format page resource. Okay. Yeah, I need to fix this. But now this says it's required. Okay, that's good at least. So maybe I have to create a custom input that has the symbol inside of it. Yeah. Probably have to do that, or find another library because, or maybe see what's wrong with the Clevezen. I think it actually works then. I think it would work. Clevezen. And how do you use it again? On change. Set value. Set type. Input reference. I think it would work now. I think that would make sense. Yeah, it does work. Okay, it's because I got rid of the package lock file. Okay. Okay. Let's import. Well, I want to see what we have. This is date formatting. This is time, numeral, internumeral, 1000. Oh, what did I have before? I have to double check. Okay. Add event listener. There should be more examples. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm a little bit tired from sitting, and I think I know what I need, the rest of what I need to do. We got pretty close, and I found other bugs, of course, as I'm doing this. We have this repeat. If I want to either do weekly, monthly, or annually, I don't think it made sense to add daily, unless someone objects to that. Then the select date, the next thing I would need to do is, if I select weekly, the only options that would be available are these ones, and then yeah, these ones should not be available, so it's easy for the user to understand like when's the last date. Because if I do, let's say if I do Thursday, but this is every weekly on a Tuesday, then yeah, sorry, I just gotta, I think I need to stretch a little bit. Okay, I can get up. I had to clear my mind a little bit. Excuse me. Okay, and then yeah, if I was saying if they select a Thursday but repeat every Tuesday, then that doesn't really make sense. So I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. And does it? And then also I need to figure this out, because if I select this date and then if I click this, then it opens here. I forgot what the thingy was. Was it auto? It says initial focus. I asked Assad. He's the one that helped me last time with it, so I think he knows the answer. I think he told me, but then I accidentally deleted the code, so I don't have the code for it. There's just one. It's a one-liner. Anyway, okay. I'm gonna get this done today, and I'll show you the the final result today. I'm gonna post something on Twitter showing that it works. So that is the goal. No more procrastinating on this. I do, though, need to get up and stretch. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for joining the live stream today. Hopefully this week will be a good, productive one of shipping a lot more features and updates for Project Planner AI, and then other stuff coming soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you, and have a good rest of your Tuesday. All right, bye-bye.